Hello. Ah. It looks a bit empty. Oh no.
So you want to see the fun stuff?
Sure.
So as we was taking the engine out, this just fell out off the top of the engine,
Okay.
which is a clearly cross-threaded bolt with gearbox oil all over it,
Nice.
which is good. And then found the cat brace has got a nice big crack through it.
Ah.
Bearing in mind this is not that old, this engine.
Yeah.
What else was there that I discovered already? And this is before we even started recording, right? Oh, the alternator bracket's got a big crack through it. The covering, which is nothing crazy, but still less than ideal, is it?
Great.
It's not exactly great build quality. The gearbox mount is destroyed already. Which it is supposed to move a little bit, but
But not like this.
yeah. The drive shaft is stuck in the gearbox. There's a weird clip of a flange, but it's like seized, so that's good. Yeah. Plus, earth straps off, cross-threaded bolts in the engine. It's pretty lit. Pretty lit. Ah, dog. Hello.
Oh.
Want a camera? Hold it.
Okay.
So basically what happened, someone money shifted it, and then the engine was sent to the dealer to fix it, and then we got it back as you told us. With
Oh yeah, the timing chain wasn't on the right place. It wasn't not timed, but the fact that the marks weren't lined up is kind of like, come on, have a bit of like respect of your job and a bit of moral. There were some engine parts that are not from this failure in the engine, so that's pretty cool. Oh yes.
big shit.
Yeah, it's just a mess, really. To be honest, it's a bit of a shame because it's not like it's an easy car to take apart either. Because it's typical Toyota. They're like, let's put this bracket on. Oh, actually, we need to put something else there. Oh, that's okay. Let's bolt this bracket in, but then put a spot weld because then there's a. Oh, okay, yeah, that's fine. Oh, let's not bother coating these bolts. It doesn't matter if they go rusty. Oh yeah, we put them bolts in. Oh shit. Yeah, it's okay. Just put another piece here, and then this here. It's just like a 5-year-old has put the car together with Lego. It's such a mess. It's taken me twice at the time it took me to get the Cooper engine out.
Nice.
Just because everything's a mess.
Ah.
So yeah, it's not particularly great fun, is it?
What's the ETA on this, you think?
It's out for the season.
Okay.
Because now I've got to try and juggle this between building this, getting the M4 back up and running after that was crashed, and then keeping on top of taxi, which is never-ending uniballs and God knows what else.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's a bit of a pain. So I just said to Robert, we should just call it for the season. And then if it comes back before then, happy days. But if it doesn't, then it's what it is.
Snacks. Well, at least someone is happy. But Trik, don't just give them that like that. They sit.
Sit.
Okay.
Jump. Jump.
Well, Mimi is Croatian, not.
Jump. Like this. Jump, jump, jump. Do it. Jump. Hey, like that. Jump. Yeah, like that. You see? Jump. You do it. Jump. Jump.
You need to have a snack in your hand, then she'll maybe jump.
Yeah, but then.
Yeah, but that's how you teach her.
Yeah.
Yes, I guess. Good morning, comrades. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the Nürburgring. As you can see, the Yaris is a bit of a mess. As you heard George saying, M4 was recently crashed as well, which is not... Don't eat too fast. Bunch of kids. Yeah, which is now at the body shop for being repaired. In other news, we have also 2 new cars. So first we have this Golf 7 GTI, which is going to, well, be together with the other Golf GTI. So this one will be a bit more heavily modified, but not as crazy as the Cupra. So we're gonna have basically 3 stages cars, like more or less semi-modified Golf that we have now, the GTI. This is gonna have a bit more mods, so like the seats and the cage. And then we already have the Cupra, which is full-blown race car. This is also a very fancy, well, track car, because everyone has been asking for all-wheel drive, for a Quattro, for an Audi, so this is what you get. No, this is just going to be our working horse. So it has a tow bar, so you can tow the trailer. On top, I don't know what else to say. So yeah, later I guess we go do some laps in TF, maybe do some car spotting. So let's get the day started. Actually, there's one thing. Someone sent a letter, it just came in, and I really want to share it with you by the way it is actually made, because basically someone is asking for a signature, which happens actually quite often. But in this case, this person sent me already the picture that he wants me to sign, which is very cool, of the Dacia. And in addition, inside there's already an envelope with a post stamp, so I don't need to, well, to go through all the hassle of finding a picture, of sending it, or paying for the postage. So very attentive of you, Justin. You're gonna get this picture back. I had a very weird face back in the days. Well, thank God I lost some kilos, and now we're working on our way to actually lose a bit more, because we have some plans to be racing again, even this year maybe, but definitely next year. Stay tuned for that. I just have no idea what to put on except for my signature, because I really want to include some sort of personal...
Say what you just said, like, you bring hope to humanity.
Yes, because I've been explaining everyone at Apex how smart this is of including already the picture and the envelope with this. Amazing, there is still hope for humanity. Thank you. Why did you say you bring hope? Because of you there is still. Oh, what? How do we find it?
You brought brightness to my day. Thank you for being this beautiful spark of humanity. How about that? XOXO, heart. Pancake stamp.
Oh, we have pancake stamp. Yes. Where is the...
Am I getting paid for all this
Where is
ideas
the
and
thing?
content?
The ink is not working.
It's not working?
Not good.
Pancake stamp. Thank you, Pancake. You wanna give it a lick? I know you're gonna give it a bite. I leave it. That's like a stamp.
Yeah. Did you sign the front?
Oh! Yeah.
Sign here.
You think here?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. Not an actual signature in case people gonna fake my signatures for some sketchy documents. Lick. Come on. Leave. Now, one more time. Yeah, leave. Now, front. Take. Leave.
No, and now you need to lick it. Go on.
I know.
Oh, bleh.
Done. Ta-da. Give me one baby. And there's a second baby. Gonna do some car spotting, industry pool spotting. Don't focus on the mirror, focus what's in the mirror. Could be BMW iX. Wait, we can do manual focus.
Ja, stop.
Oh no.
Okay, you're really accelerating fast.
Yeah, he's like doing brake stop and go test or something. Project car.
Sold.
Sold.
Yeah.
Perfect. How much for McChicken?
Really, Toyota should be buying this back from us and apologising for producing such a piece of shit, but, you know, we can dream.
Ah, thank you, service. Do you want some iced coffee, patat?
Don't give her coffee.
Okay, it's gonna be hyperactive and heart attack. So fast forward, and it's getting very, very wet. I'm gonna be going out in the Cupra, that Cupra over there, on air ones. Taxi is running PS4S. Other cars are getting also rain tires swapped, so also PS4 for the case of the our Cupra. M2 is getting, I think, PS4S, not sure. Is that on the 4S's? No, just 4s. Yeah, PS4. All right. Also very good. PS4 is probably even slightly better for the rain anyway. PS4S is better for the dry, so it's like 41 to put the slider, wet or dry. And yeah, well, I guess we're gonna go to the car park and let's see if we're gonna come back to pick up this camera so I can also see what's happening in the car park. Not sure it's going to be a lot because a lot of people are scared of the rain anyway. Well, not us. Not us. Okay, so let's check out what's happening in the car park today. Obviously need to tell you that the ride on Samuel's Lakes on Nanking Air once in the wet was actually quite pleasant, I must say. That one is also on air once. It's probably practicing for the 12-hour race, and I really have to give a big shout out to whoever parked like that on both spots. Really great job. Nice wheels on the M5. Is that a, well, it's a competition, but it looks like, is that a launch edition from Ukraine? Nice. It's Fabio. Hello. What?
What's up, player?
Yeah, how are you? Hi. Hello. Misha, nice to meet you.
Yeah, dude,
Oh,
that
yeah.
guy's a fucking, he only comes out when it's wet.
Yep.
Last Mohican, the fog comes out and he's just...
Yeah, but he also, I think he blew up his engine a few weeks ago or a few months ago, so it's good that it's replaced.
The problem with him, he doesn't have any indicators. He has to show his hand. Yeah. Every time I'm chasing him, like he's coming, you know, like this.
You driving this weekend?
Yup.
Nice.
First achievement is gonna be the TF World Championship.
Yeah, we have to win the TF
Yes.
World.
You're gonna win TF tonight?
Dude, he won. It's his first time on the ring. The only car that passed him was Ring Mini and the Apex Taxi.
Huh.
Hold his nuts out.
That's good. It's
If
good.
he's not gonna get
He
banned,
listens. That's the
I
thing. He
think
actually
if-
listens.
If he doesn't get banned today from the 6 rental company, I mean, like if we were pulling sideways every photo picture like that.
If I don't see you, good luck on the weekend. See ya. Bye bye. He just needs to put some extra. Hey. Extra turning radius. Sketchy?
Yeah, a little sketchy in the beginning. Yeah.
Just a bit. Yeah.
Now it's dry.
Now it's dry. But this baby can do well.
Yeah, this can do a lot. Yeah.
Yeah.
Good morning.
How was your holiday?
Yeah, not too bad.
Yeah? Good? Got extra kilos?
Yeah.
I gained 2 kilos in 5 days of holiday. Yeah, that's life. Extra downforce for the weekend.
It is.
You driving the weekend?
Yes.
Oh, nice. Enjoy.
Yeah.
Have fun. Bye. Hey. Hi, nice to meet you. Everyone goes for a picture.
Pero echaba una foto.
Cool. Awesome. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. Have a good time.
You want to shoot something?
I don't know. Is there something worth shooting?
I want to see some broken parts.
Broken? What?
It's the steering rack probably.
Of what? The taxi? Of the taxi?
Yeah.
Oh well. Just taxi life. I guess at least it's in one piece. All the cars came back in one piece, especially considering today's weather. Well, I guess it's time for me to say goodbye. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, which was full of everything, a bit of technical updates, car updates. We need to do Apex people and police updates because some people left, some people came. It's yeah, well, lots of, well, some cars came, but some other cars that we haven't mentioned yet, some cars that will come. Yeah, but for that, stay tuned, subscribe, like, share, and everything. And looking forward to seeing you in tomorrow's video where, I don't know, something Nürburgring related. Bye.